Hey guys, Steve here. Today I wanted to just go and make a video talking about the List Infinity platform. And as a newbie, what you need to do first in order to hit the ground running, right? Let me tell you a story. So I had someone who signed up under me on Downline, right? And I have this offer, and I'll show you this offer real quick so you know. The offer is on, I'll put it in the description box below, but it's on one of my bridge pages, and it says, when you upgrade with me, you'll receive 100 free clicks to your List Infinity capture page of choice. Just send me screenshot of upgrade, the receipt, obviously, and the capture page link that you want me to promote, or that you want me to put in my to send traffic to, right? So that's what I'll do. And I know you're probably wondering, well, why would you do that? Well, once you understand what the List Infinity project platform does, is it shares virally your emails, right? So as you send someone to the capture page, to that URL, the capture page, the capture page collects the email, puts it in an autoresponder, starts sending follow-ups. The every fifth lead comes up to me if you're on my downline, right? So that's how that works. But it works the same for you too, right? If you promote the offer, whoever you send it to, they'll send the every fifth lead to you too. So it really doesn't hurt me. My success is tied to yours. That's the way I can help my downline be successful, and in turn, I'm being successful as well. I'm providing value to my team. I'm providing assistance to my team. I'm helping everybody out. It's a win-win-win, right? So that's why I do that in a nutshell. Now, what I want to do is I want to actually talk about some of the first things you need to do. So don't just send me the link as soon as you log in, but some of the things you need to do prior to sending me that list, right? And that will be here. So let's jump over to the back office real quick. When you first log into the back office, let me log all the way in. Let me log out, log back in, so you can see exactly where I'm at. You'll see a letter here from it's a welcome letter from Derek Van Dyke. He's the creator of this platform. He clearly tells you that every fifth lead your referrals generate passes up to you, so you get 20% of all the leads that your referrals generate, right? Every fifth one, that's out of 10. 2 out of 10 is that's the 20%, right? Because you'll be paid 100 instantly, you need to have your Stripe or PayPal account set up immediately. Okay, you need to do that first. I had somebody send me theirs, and I clicked on it to check it. First of all, they sent me just their referral link, and I clicked on it and check it, and their payment link was not set up. And I would hate for you to miss out on money, because then you start screaming about scams and schemes and all of this other stuff, and that's not the case, right? It's just you didn't follow the steps. So that's what I want to do. I want to go through the steps and also show you some promotional material in here, and just what you'll need to send me in order for me to help you get 100 clicks when you upgrade under me, right? So the first thing you need to do is go to connect your autoresponder. You need to select Aweber, because I'm assuming that you would already want Aweber, which I recommend because it makes the setup quick and easy, where all you do is sign up for your Aweber account. You click, you sign up for your Aweber account. You click Aweber here, and you just follow the directions, right? Click save. Then the next step is you import your email campaign in your Aweber account. You follow these directions. It's a 30-day email campaign, right? It walks you through the steps of how to import the whole campaign, less work. 1 click, 2 click, and you're done, right? And you populate a couple fields with your affiliate link. Just follow these directions, and you're all set up. So that's step number 2. Now your email sequence is set up, right? Step number 3 is the most important one to me. Why? Because it sets up your payment. Now, when you first come in, it'll probably be set up on PayPal. All you got to do is put your PayPal address in here. You can change it later. If you don't have one, sign up right here and create a PayPal account. Believe me, all it is your PayPal email. Drop it there so you don't miss a payment. Do that. That is important. If you want to go the extra mile and just set up a backup account just in case something goes haywire with PayPal, follow the steps, create a free Stripe account, and you can still follow the steps. You can just select which one you want to use. Stripe is a online merchant that a lot of affiliate marketers use. PayPal is PayPal, and sometimes they be acting funny with people money. So that's up to you. You pick the payment choice that fits your needs. And those are the three crucial things. Now, if you're an upgraded member, I'm telling you, if you're an upgraded member, make sure you go to step 4, and that's just setting up your affiliate links into your back office so that you can make commissions off of these right here. Just do that. Now, those are the first steps that you have to do. Then we can go about sending me your link so we can start getting traffic to your site. Now, here are the capture pages that you can choose from. Again, here's your affiliate link. This is just your raw affiliate link. After they go through the capture page, they're going to hit the sales page, right? The sales page is, let me see this, right? This is the standard affiliate page that's coded to you, right? Right? So let's take a look at one of the newer capture pages is here. Move this over here. Free video, how to make $100 every day with your phone. That's nice and clean, right? The only thing that's important is the email. That's why it's important to have your email autoresponder connected to the page, to the system, so that you can collect their leads, because that's what it's about, building a list, right? So that's that. Let's go to the next one. Here's another one. This one just shows payment proof. And also here's another tactic that you can use. You can use some of these phrases here as part of like posts you put on social media, or even subject lines in emails, right? That's just a tip, right? The next one is here. It's kind of plain. It just has a red background. Discover the simple steps. You can use this, like I said, as a Facebook post and put "Ask me how," right? And just put a picture, any old picture below it, and you'll be on your way, right, to promoting your opportunity, free, right? All right, so that's what you do. You send me one of these links after you get everything all set up, and then we will. Then I'll start trying to get some traffic to it, right? Now, as you go further down, I want you to really look at this one here, because it's a free method to generate leads immediately and to set up your Facebook profile as basically as a lead magnet, as a traffic source, right? So just follow his daily Facebook marketing plan. It's step by step. It only takes about 45 minutes to do these steps. Also, be sure to select here and go to the team Facebook page, where you'll see other successes, people welcoming people to the group. You'll also learn other tricks. You'll be informed of any updates. You'll see people having success and making commissions, which is always a positive, because it gives you, it works. The system works, right? And you'll see all the success. And you can use some of this social proof in order to promote your business on social media as well, which you'll also learn in the back office. And we'll go back to there. So it teaches you how to optimize your page, how to get a cover sheet for your page. There's some available downloads in here. You can download some of the stuff. It kind of walks you through setting up your page so that you can start generating free leads from your Facebook profile, from your social media, right? So let's go back over here and grab this here. Now, other thing I want to show you is promotional tools. And this is crucial too, of how to promote your list infinity. You come here, you click here, and you'll get access 60 posts that will get you some engagement, right? Some posts that generate leads, some Facebook groups that you can promote in. And these are some covers that you can download to put up at the top of your, I'll show you real quick, to put at the top of your social media, like here. I'll show you mine. Let me see. Let me show you mine. So here's mine, right? Here's the top. I have a generic Facebook profile thing up here. And then, some of my posts are here, where I put some headlines here. Who else wants? Like here, I say free video reveals and list some things. I got free video. These are headlines, right? So just like what I said, like some of those things that I have on my, where were we, on lead capture pages? Like, for instance, you can just use like that, stuff like that, free video reveals or discover the secret. So it's not really that hard to promote on social media or anything like that. You just got to be consistent with it. Don't give up. And you will see results. You know, keep putting in the effort. Don't quit. Lastly, what I want to do is I want to show you the solo ad Rolodex, and really what you need to know about this is, in order for you to get traffic on your own, you come here and you go through the solo ad secrets, right? And it'll show you the secrets to selecting. We'll go through it real quick. We got time. I'll make my video long anyway. Solo ad secrets, real quick. So here, this little section walks you through how to successfully select solo ad vendors, how to use the tracking software. I know my screen is like crazy because it's like small or something like that, but let me squeeze it over here. Show you successfully how to select a vendor, and everything, right? And you pick a vendor, you know, how many clicks you want. Clicks are like 40, 50 cent a click, which you start driving. But this explains it all, right? Explains it all. So, and basically what you would do is you would just go grab your capture page link, and that's what you would use to provide to your vendor. And if you want, I can walk you through how to do that real quick. So you have your capture page. You'll say you will go to Udemy here, and you'll go to let's move this over here. You'll go to like let's see. You'll be like, go to find a seller or solo deal, and say you select this guy, 40 cent a click. I would definitely use the preferred vendors in the back. So this is where you would select how many clicks you want. You can go down to as low as 50 and only pay $23, like less than 30 bucks for 50 clicks. You just make sure you grab your affiliate link here. Then you would, grab any affiliate link you want, grab it, copy and paste. Then you would go back to your Udemy account that you created. You would drop your link here. You make sure you select how many clicks you want, right? Only the link, and click either pay with PayPal or credit cards, and they'll start sending you traffic that's from tier 1 countries, right? And then you can look at some of the successes of that particular solo ad vendor right here, where this guy got sales, got skills, you know, and so on and so forth. But that's how you set that up, right? And that's the same link that you would send to me, and I'll get you, like I promised, 100 free clicks to your business upon upgrading with me and then sending me the receipt showing that. But anyway, that's all that I got. Check the time. That's all that I got. I went on long enough, and I hope you enjoyed. Oh yeah. One more thing. Is there anything else? Oh, the pro training. We can just look at that real quick. No, I'll say that for a different video. That's all that I got. I hope you enjoyed the content. Like, share, subscribe. I'm out.